Hello everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft video here on JustBoz. In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can download and install the updated Minecraft launcher directly from the Microsoft Store. If you're new here, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel, it really does help us out. But just a quick note, this guide is for downloading the official launcher, not the game. You will still need to purchase Minecraft separately in order to play it. This tutorial is completely legal and does not involve any piracy. If you are still using the old Minecraft launcher, you may see a message at the bottom saying, "We'll be providing ongoing support for this launcher, but there is a new and improved version available. Download it now." You can either click that download it now button or follow the upcoming steps to download it directly from the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and close out of the old launcher, for example, and open up the Microsoft Store by hitting this little search icon at the bottom and typing in Microsoft Store and then clicking on it to open it. Once you're inside the Microsoft Store, go ahead and make sure you are signed into your Microsoft account. This will not work unless you are signed into it. And you can use any Microsoft account. It doesn't necessarily have to be the one used for Minecraft. The next step is just simply going up to this little search icon up at the very top and just typing in Minecraft Launcher, just like so, and then clicking on this Minecraft Launcher option. It should look something like this for you when you do get into it. They do change the logo a few times. It might have like a blocky earth logo. It might just have this little creeper logo. Just make sure that you're downloading the one from Microsoft Studios exclusively, and then what you need to go ahead and do is simply either go ahead and hit this play button, or you should just see an install option here. Click on the install option, wait for it to install, and then you should see a play one. Now once installed, you can actually either just go ahead and hit play from the Microsoft Store just like so, or you could search Minecraft just at the bottom of your launcher right here. And as you can see, when you search it up, you'll see something like Minecraft Launcher. You just gotta click on that and it's gonna bring up this Minecraft Launcher. Here you'll see the new Minecraft Launcher UI, which includes your latest release, Forge, or Optifine if you do have that installed, and the same access to your Minecraft folder with mods, shaders, and so much more. Everything works exactly like it used to. It's just newer, smoother, and it's pulled from the Microsoft Store. But that's it, you've now installed the new Minecraft launcher the correct way. If you do run into any issues, try waiting a few minutes, restart the store, or use the Xbox app method. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to like. If you did find this video, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. But thank you so much for watching. Peace.